Hello kids, welcome to you in Kids and Color. Let's learn shapes name, colors name and numbers name. This is a triangle. A triangle. A circle. This is a circle. A square. This is a square. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Orange color. Which color is this? This is orange color. Yellow color. This is yellow color. This is purple color. Purple color. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such video.